Selling supplements to international customers. Many merchants get flagged or declined not because of fraud, but because their processor is not built for global payments. Here is a quick check. You will often see limits around certain regions or currencies. These restrictions are what cause processors to flag or reject international orders. This helps you understand what's triggering those declines, but it won't fix the issue if your processor is not built for global routing. International payments can easily raise red flags if your processor is not optimized for cross-border traffic. Even legitimate orders can get stuck in reviews or declined automatically. That's where EasyPay Direct helps. Their gateway supports merchants selling internationally and can route transactions across multiple accounts, helping you process global payments more smoothly and avoid unnecessary flags. And here is something directly from their FAQs. A nutraceutical merchant account is designed for supplement and vitamin businesses, allowing payments to be processed securely. That foundation is exactly what helps you avoid unnecessary flags when accepting international orders. I've linked EasyPay Direct below. Check how their international friendly setup works and see if your supplement store qualifies. Selling globally doesn't have to mean more risk. With EasyPay Direct, you can expand your supplement business confidently and process international payments without constant account reviews or declines. The sign up links right there in the description when you are ready.